Hey, welcome, it's Pete here with you, and I'm going to show you in this video a very unique strategic way how you can make $50 a day at least or more with a free strategy using YouTube, okay? So in fact, you don't even have to record videos or put your face out there. This is very cool, check it out. So what I'm going to do, I'm over here on YouTube, and at this point, all you need is to create a free YouTube channel, okay? So you'll create a Gmail account, and it'll just be linked to a YouTube channel. Very simple, right? Then I'm going to go up here to my little settings, okay? And I'm going to, let me move my video over. I am going to click on help, okay? Okay, and sorry, my computer's a little slow. And right up here, I'm going to put creative and search comments. Here we go. It just showed up. So Creative Commons, okay? This is a very interesting, unique way for you to actually use other people's content without violating any copyrights in YouTube, okay? So check this out. Creative Commons basically is a program that YouTube offers, and it's allowing YouTube channel holders to allow their content to be used by others, okay? So you can read through the Creative Commons rights, license rights, but when somebody has a license right in Creative Commons, what they're allowing to do is anytime somebody records a video and they allow Creative Commons on their video, which means they're letting other people use their videos, download them and re-upload them on their channel, okay? And you're not violating anything. Pretty cool, yeah? So here's how this would be in actual real-time, how you can apply this method. Check it out, my friend. All right, so my video's not, okay, here we go. So what I would do is, for instance, if I would, let's say I have a free YouTube channel, I will put in up here something like, reviews, or let's say book reviews. How about that, okay? Book reviews, okay? So there you go. So I'm looking for videos of people reviewing books, okay? Pretty simple. So what I'm going to do, my friend, is see all these videos show up. So not all of these videos are allowing Creative Commons, which means that if they do not allow it, then you can get in trouble and violate copywriting if you're using these videos, okay? So what you can do is click this little filter option here, okay? And then you will click on where it says Creative Commons, okay? You will click on that. Now, all these videos allow Creative Commons. They say, yes, you can download our videos and use them in any way you want, which means that you can download the video, you can edit the video and put it on your own YouTube channel, or you can just download it and upload it to your YouTube channel, and you're not violating any copywriting on YouTube. The owners of the channel are allowing you to use their videos, okay? That's what Creative Commons are when you filter and look for them. So all these videos, my friend, check it out. You can download these videos and use them. Like, look, this girl right here is talking about a book called Stephen King, okay? Stephen King book. So what I can do is upload this video to my channel. Here's how I would do it. I would, you could even look through and you could even put something up here like, say, romance novel books or whatever books you want to, for instance. But you're not limited to books. This is just an example, okay? So, for instance, this girl's reviewing The Godfather by Mario Puzo, right? So I'm going to click on this review video, okay? All right, so I paused that video. So this girl over here is allowing Creative Commons, okay, because we filtered, and that's how we found this video. And she's talking about The Godfather. So hey, check it out. I can grab this title name now, okay? Say The Godfather by Mario, okay? So I'm gonna copy this, okay? Go over, say, to Amazon, right? And find the book. And you can actually have Amazon pay you when you sell anything from Amazon, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So you go to Amazon.com, Amazon.com, spell it right first, okay? All right, let that load. Okay, so on Amazon, I'm just gonna scroll all the way down, and whether it's Amazon, whether it's Walmart or any other big company like this, 80% of companies out there, digital products or physical, they allow for an affiliate program. So this means that they allow you to promote their products and make a commission on every time you make a sell from one of their products. Makes sense, yeah? So let me find that option here. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's right up here, become an affiliate. Okay, so you would click this become an affiliate, sign up as an affiliate with Amazon. And Amazon will pay you, I don't know, sometimes a couple percent up to 10% in affiliate commissions. Okay, so here's the process, my friend. You grab your affiliate link for any product when you sign up with their affiliate program, right? And then you can say, look for that specific book that we were just, seeing this girl review, right? So here's the book, okay? And it's about $8, $9, whatever the cost, $42, okay? I can grab my affiliate link for this, and they'll pay me like a percentage of the commission if somebody buys this book through Amazon. So here's the process, my friend. What you can do, okay, let me grab a quick text pad here, and I'll show you exactly the steps on how you would make money with this specific strategy, all right? So I'll say new, okay. So here you go. I'm going to make this text bigger. So all you would do is, number one, find Creative Commons YouTube videos. Okay, so this is using that filter, and download video. Okay. 2 is you would upload that video to your channel, okay, to your YouTube channel, okay, and then you would just add your, say, Amazon or whatever program you're using, Amazon affiliate link, okay, in the description of the video, of that video. Done deal, my friend, and you're making money, okay? So check it out. Let me show you this. Find Creative Commons videos on YouTube, which we did. I show you how to do that. Download the video, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, okay? So when we go back to this video that we were just looking at, right? Okay, let's say Julie Sapphire here allows us to record her videos or download them. You would just click on share, okay? And you would just grab the video link, okay? You just grab the video link. So right here, see where it shows the video link, okay? You would just copy it, for instance. You know, you could copy it, okay? And you would grab that link, all right? And then you would go to, you can go to google.com and just put in like YouTube video downloader or converter, okay? There's gonna be a bunch of them, but here's one I could recommend, Online Video Converter, okay? Onlinevideoconverter.com is where you can go. You can select this convert a video link option, okay? This will allow you to just throw your YouTube link in here, paste it, and that's it. And MP4 format, perfect, that's what I want. And that's it. Like I can like click start and start downloading the video. Okay, very simple. There you go. It just brought up her video, and I would just click download. You download that video to your desktop. You could also, and that's it, right? You could also edit that video. Like you can look for a video editor. Like I use iMovie because I use Mac, but it's a free editor with Mac. But if you're using like a PC, right, you can find another editor for that, right? If you want to edit, like if, for instance, if she says like go to a specific website in her video, you can cut that out and put your link that's for your specific link. So people don't go to another place where she tells them to go, but they click on your link below, okay? You could even add a little text in the video at the end, just say, hey, click link below to get this book. Okay, make sense? There you go. So now you know how to find Creative Commons videos on YouTube. Now you know how to download them, upload the video to your channel, then add your Amazon affiliate link in the description of the video. Okay, so now my friend, we're just going back to YouTube. Let's say you created your channel. You can click this little icon, upload the video. Once it's uploaded, it's a done deal. Now check it out, my friend. Here's another thing I will recommend is get a vidIQ. It's called vid like that, vidIQ, vidIQ Google Chrome plugin. Okay, it's free. Now, what this will allow you to do is actually, there's a free version, the basic version, that's all you need. It'll show you the statistics of your channel, but also it will allow you to see everything these people put in their like tags and everything. Okay, so you can even she didn't actually put anything in her tags, but she put a lot of her stuff in the description. So what I can do is go back and say find another video that I can use as an example, like for instance the history of the ancient book. Let's say click on this video. Okay, so here's a good example. So I clicked on another video, and what you can do is the video that you're taking, the reason they're ranking on the very top, right, very high, is of course they would have like probably a lot of subscribers, so that's something you want to build up to. But for now, if you have a YouTube channel that's new, just model the best you can from the concept they're using. Like model their title. You don't have to copy everything verbatim, but you can put like say the history of the ancient book world review, and you can get your book now, or you know, the thoughts or my thoughts on this book, or the best review on the ancient world book, something like that, right? So you model the concept, right? And then you can click show more and kind of see what they put in their description. And again, don't copy everything verbatim, but you can grab and say kind of model what he's putting in there, right, in his description. So it has a little description about maybe the book of whatever he put in here, right? And then you can even put your link, you know, to your offer, right? Like I would recommend putting the link on the very top so people don't have to click show more to view it, right? So it's the first thing they see, and you can put like in the description, click here to grab that book on Amazon. Make sense? So when he gives the review, people click that link. That's your affiliate link. I showed you how to sign up for that affiliate program on Amazon. Grab that link, put it in here once you upload that video to your channel. And when people are clicking there and buying that book from what this guy's, you know, reviewing about it, you're making that commission from Amazon. Pretty sweet, right? So check it out, my friend. Very simple. You find a Creative Commons YouTube video, you download the video, you upload the video to your channel, then add your, say, Amazon affiliate link in the description of the video. And when people find your video, they click it and they buy that book through your link, you get commissions. And you didn't have to record the video. You didn't have to do much except just download, upload the video, throw your affiliate link in the description. You're good to go. So here's why I told you to download this vidIQ, you know, Chrome plugin, is because it allows you to see, you know, their rank status, and it allows you to see their keywords, my friend. And this is what you want to do. You want to grab and use these keywords that they're using and put them in your tags when you're uploading your video. Okay, you can even grab all of them, copy, kind of paste them. You could even, you know, throw in a couple other ones if you like. But the reason they're ranking so well on, you know, on YouTube, it's, you know, of course they probably have more subscribers and more engagement, but you can, when you're copying these keywords that these big channels are using, these keywords have already boosted like ranking power to them. Okay, so when you're uploading these same, when you're using these same keywords, your video can start to rank. Now that's really how simple you can you know, upload, find the videos, put them on your channel, put your own affiliate link in there, and when people watch these videos, find them, they click on the link and buy the product, you are getting commissions for it. So that's really how simple this process is, and you can make 50 bucks, 100 bucks a day and more. But here's what I'll recommend, my friend. Don't just upload one video or a couple of videos and expect money to just come pouring in, because with YouTube, you want to build up your channel authority. So you want to have more subscribers, more views. Remember, you can put up, you know, 10 videos and maybe one of them will rank very well and the rest might not as well, okay? Especially when you have a brand new channel. So you want to build up that channel authority. So what I recommend is putting up a bunch of videos every day, consistently put up videos, okay? I don't care if you're putting 5 videos a day, it's going to take you like 10 minutes to download and re-upload these videos that are, remember, Creative Commons approved on YouTube to your own channel, and find that say product on Amazon, grab your affiliate link for it and put in your description. Once you have a description in your video, you can reuse the same description and just kind of reword it, right, to that specific, say, product. But again, you can model the description that people are putting in that are about this video, because it's congruent with that video. And remember, you're using that same video, and that kind of model that same title, grab the same keywords they're using. So my friend, you don't even have to do any kind of research, okay? Everything's already a copy and paste kind of process, and it's in front of you, right? The main goal here is to grow your YouTube channel. Put up a bunch of videos, okay? Put up as many as you can, right? I would say make a point to do at least one video a day, but if you want to really take off, do 5-10 videos a day, you know? Take off, throw up 100 videos on your channel, and you'll start to see it take off. And the more videos you have that are getting engagement, the more people will watch them, subscribe to your channel, it'll grow, and it's going to be a lot easier for you to get a bunch of views to all your videos as you're putting them on. So it'll grow. And remember, you're not creating the content, you're not doing anything but copy pasting, uploading, and downloading and uploading the videos. And my friend, you can start making money through affiliate products. You can do it through other digital products. Regardless of what product you promote, as long as you apply this concept, you don't even have to make your own content or your own videos. Make sense? So also, my friend, I hope you found value in this. Give me a thumbs up if you appreciate this. It's a very strategic way for you to make fast, quick cash without having to even think of how am I going to, review videos or products. It's all done for you, okay? You just copy, paste, upload, and you're good to go. Cool? So listen, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more of these videos. I always have to share value and show my people how to make money online. And I like to see more people break through. So that's like one of these ways that can get you some money and traction going pretty fast without you having to really invest anything and without you having to go out there and create your own content, okay? And with that being said, I'll also put my most recommended source below. I love to share the best ways to help people make money online. And I want to, I like to share more ways to do that, but I like to teach people and coach people along the process as well. So be sure to check out my recommended source below. That can really serve you in a big way as well, as far as making money online and growing your income and working from anywhere in the world, right? So that being said, be sure to share this video as well if you found value, and I will see you, my friend, in the next video. Go out there, apply this, make some money, and let me know how you do. Bye for now.